हेलो एवरीवन। इन दिस सेशन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे प्रीवियस ईयर में जो एनडीए में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है उसके बारे में। और जिनको ये नहीं पता एनडीए क्या होता है, एनडीए इज द नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी एग्जामिनेशन विच इज quietly which has some standard of questions of quadratic equation. Okay, so there are 13 to 15 questions that is previously asked in NDA. Okay, so let's start the session. So firstly we will understand what are the basic terms that is used in NDA examination or quadratic equation. Okay, so firstly we will understand ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic equation, standard quadratic equation form that is used in our syllabus. Okay, so this one we can write. Okay, so roots of the quadratic equation can be written as x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, this one I can write. Okay, so we can see that there is plus and there is minus, which means that it has two roots. Okay, so first root will be x is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and second root is what? X is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This one I can write. Okay, so first root we can term it as alpha, and second root can be termed as beta. So here we can write x1 and x2. That will be the correct notation instead of x, because x already denotes that x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2. Okay, so first thing we had already written. Okay, so here we can see that alpha plus beta is equal to nothing but minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. That's the most important thing which we can see here. Okay, this is the property which we will use in many of the questions that is asked in either JEE Mains or NDA. Okay, so hope you understand this thing. And we already seen that b square minus 4ac has a root. Okay, this means that it has some problem with roots. Okay, so we can see that b square minus 4ac if greater than 0, then real roots. Okay, and b square minus 4ac is less than 0, which means that imaginary roots. Okay, imaginary roots. And b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, which means that equal roots. Okay, this is the property which we will used in our questions. Okay, hope you understand whatever I had already taught you, like a alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Then we will discuss about b square minus 4ac either greater than 0, less than 0 and equal to 0. Hope you understand this thing. Now we will discuss first and foremost question of NDA. Okay, so first question is this: if p and q are the roots of the equation x square minus 30x plus 221 is equal to 0, then what is the value of pq plus qq? Okay, and we all know that from the property that pq plus qq can be written as p plus q into p square plus q square minus pq. Okay, and we also know that pq plus qq can be written as p plus q minus 3pq p plus q. ओके, अब मैं आपके ऊपर छोड़ देता हूं कि कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज करूंगा, लेकिन अगर मेरे से बोला जाए कि इस क्वेश्चन को फास्टेस्ट वे में करो तो मैं ये वाला आइडेंटिटी यूज करूंगा. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे पी स्क्वायर क्यू स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है. सो पहले हमको चेंज करना पड़ेगा क्या, उसको पी प्लस क्यू के फॉर्म में, वो कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा. So p plus q, this property will be better than this one. So hope you understand why I am using this one. Okay, so p plus q can be written as 30q. Okay, because sum of root is what? 30 minus 30 and 3 into 221, because pq is product of root is can be written as 221 into 30. This one I can write. Okay, now if I will take 3 into 30 common. Okay, if I I'm taking 3 into 30 common, so here I can write it as 10. Here I can write the value as 10. Okay, sorry, here I can write the value as 30. This one I can write. Why I am writing this one? We had already taken 3 and 30 common. Okay, so now here I can write the value as 221. Okay, now what we can write? It can be written as 90, it can be written as 300, and it can be written as 221 as it is. Okay, so 300 minus 221 will give you what? 79, and into 90. Okay, if we will multiply this one, we will get the value as 7110. Okay, so this is the answer of a question. Okay, hope you understand why I am using sum of root as a tool to find the value of PQ plus QQ. Okay, hope you understand this question. Let's go with the second question that is more standard with this question. Okay, so second question is what? If P and Q belong to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, तो we have to pick, हमको चूज करना है P Q को 1, 2, 3, 4 से. ठीक है, अब देखो लिखा हुआ हाउ मेनी इक्वेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म P x square plus Qx plus 1 is equal to 0 will have रियल रूट्स. ओके, हम लोग ने यहाँ पे देखा था रियल रूट्स के लिए बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर देन 0 होना चाहिए. ओके, और इक्वल रूट्स में भी क्या होते हैं, ये हमें रियल रूट्स ही देगा. इक्वल रूट्स में भी हमें क्या देगा, ये रियल रूट्स ही देगा. सो हम लोग बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 लेके चल सकते हैं. सो हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 विल हैव रियल एंड इक्वल रूट्स. Hope you understand this thing. Now let's go with the question. Okay, so here it is given that q square minus 4p. Why I am writing this one? Because b square minus 4ac can be written as q square minus 4p is greater than equal to 0. Okay, this one I can write. Okay, now I will make a chart. Okay, here I will write q, now I will write p. Okay, first thing first, what will be the value of q that I can write here? Okay, if I'm writing 1, okay, if I'm writing 1, shall we take any value of p as 1, 2, 3, 4? Shall we take that thing? Okay, let's check this out. First thing, if I'm taking p is equal to 1, I'm getting the value of 4. I'm getting the value of 4. So here I'm writing 1 minus 4, which is less than 0. So we can't take any value of p as 1, 2, 3, 4 if q is equal to 1. So we can't take q as 1. Okay, hope you understand this thing. So now we will go with the option 2, which is q is taken as 2. Okay, so if I'm taking q as 2, so I can take p as 1 because 4p will give you 4 and 2 2s are 4 will give you 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So we can take this thing. Why I'm taking this one? Will have real roots. If I'm talking about it has real roots, which means that it must be greater than equal to 0. So we can take this one. Other than that we can't take any value because 4 into 3 will give you 12 and it is greater than 4. Okay, so 4 minus 12, which is less than 0. So we can't take this one. 4 minus 16, which is less than 0. We can't take this one. Hope you understand this thing. Now we will go with 3. If I'm taking q as 3, so what value I can take? I can take value as 1 because 4 into 1 will always, so 3 square is 9. Okay, 4 into 1 will be 4 and it is less than 9. 4 into 2 is less than 9, so we can't take this value. But 4 into 3 is not less than 9, so we can't take that value. Okay, so we can take two values from here, one values from this one. Okay, so two values from this one values from that one. Okay, and here if I'm taking 4, it will give you 16. Okay, so we can take 1, we can take 2, we can take 3 also, we can take 4 also, which means that all the 4 values of p that we can take if q is equal to if q is equal to 4. Okay, so what are the values that I can take? 1, 2, 3, 4. For 3 I can take only 2 values. For 2 I can take only 1 values. Okay, so how many values that I had taken? I had taken 7 values that will satisfy px square plus qx has real roots. Hope you understand this thing. Let's continue with the second question, which is which have more higher property than this one. Okay, let's go with the second one. It is given that if x square mod of it has mod, which means that it has some other properties. Okay, mod of x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, this one is given, which means that if I'm taking, so this one and this one has same thing. Okay, we can't change anything. So x square minus 3x plus 2 can be written as t. Okay, we can write it like this, and we can take mod of t minus t, which is greater than 0. We can take this one, and we can also write if t greater than 0, so t minus t is greater than 0. Okay, which means that 0 is greater than 0, so we can't take t greater than 0. Okay, now if I'm taking t less than 0, which means that minus t is greater than 0, which means that minus 2t is greater than 0, which means that t is less than 0, which we can take. Okay, so mod of t can be written as, so there is a property, if mod of x I can write, if x is greater than 0, it can be written as fx is equal to x. If x is less than 0, we can write as fx is equal to minus x. Okay, same property which I had used here. Okay, minus t and plus t. Okay, hope you understand this thing. And t less than 0, I had already get this property. Okay, so t is nothing but x square minus 3x plus 2 is less than 0. This one I had already written. So x square minus 3x can be written as minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay, so this one I can write. Okay, is less than 0. Now if I will take x common, I can write the value of x minus 2. If I am taking minus 1 common, I can write the value as x minus 2, which is less than 0. So here I can write the value as x minus 1 or x minus 2, which is less than 0. Now if I will put it on number line, I can write here as 1, I can write here as 2. Okay, so here I will write the value as plus minus plus. Okay, which means that we have already written plus minus plus. Okay, and we all know that it has less than 0, which means that I have to take only this region, which means that x belongs to minus 1 to 2. Okay, and it has less than 0, it doesn't have less than equal to 0. So we have to take open bracket nor close bracket. Close bracket is for less than equal to 0, but open bracket is for only less than 0. So option C is correct. Option B is also given, so we can't take this value because less than equal to 0 is given here. Okay, so we have to take less than 0 value. Okay, hope you understand this thing.